Believe it or not, the new year is already here. So let's get on with some email marketing tips to start your 2022 off right. First tip, use an automated email campaign. In Aweber, it's as simple as clicking Create Campaign and choosing a campaign template. Studies have shown that a welcome email can generate 320% more revenue per email, and that's based on benchmarkemail.com's study. So you definitely want to make sure that when somebody signs up to your list, they're getting something right away. And instead of just sitting by your computer and sending out email when somebody signs up, you can do that through an automated email campaign. So we'll give our campaign a name, just call it Welcome Series. Nobody else will see this name, it's just for us. And with this pre-built automated welcome template, we've got 3 emails that go out when somebody signs up to our list. The first one, then there's a day wait, a second one, another day, and a third one. We can remove some of these wait times in emails if we don't want an entire series, and then customize each email by clicking on its subject line. And when I say customize, we want to add our own subject line. And other things like our company's logo. From there, we'll customize further by adding our own content right here. What's really helpful about this email is it has a template with a kind of fill in the blank. It has a template that allows you to fill in the blank and put in the important content you should include in your welcome email. Another 2022 tip is to never use a no reply address as your from address. Under list settings, you can change what this from address is. You don't want to use do not reply. You want to remember that email is a two-way street, and you want your subscribers to be able to contact you with any questions or comments that they may have. From this page, you can just click Manage Email Addresses, enter in something other than a do not reply address, and then click to send verification. You should use an email address that's either hosted at your domain or includes your domain name in there so people understand who these emails are coming from. Finally, another 2022 email tip is to split test. Make sure you're using split tests to split test your emails that are going out. This way you can make sure you're sending out the best emails possible. When you split test, you can split test your email subject lines, the design, your call to action copy, really anything in the email. But remember, when testing, only test one thing at a time. That way it's clear what is and what's not working with the emails you're sending. To create a new split test, just click Create, enter a name for the split test. In this case, we'll split test the subject line. Choose who is going to receive this split test, and then decide how to divvy it up. We can do a 30-30-30 split test, or just drag along and make it a clean 50-50 test. You can check back later on this page to see the results of your test. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new email or small business marketing content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you're not a customer yet, click here. It's absolutely free to start building your business with Aweber. Check out some of the other videos in our channel and let us help you reach your audience and grow your business.